Salutations, se présenter. Salutations. Bonjour, bonsoir or bonne nuit. It's at night time. And bonne nuit is normally just before you go off to bed, where bonsoir relate more to the evening. Salut, it's a way to say I or bye in French. Au revoir, or to say goodbye in French. We've got formal and informal way of speaking and addressing in French. The formal way of asking how are you going, it's comment allez-vous? And we have, when we say comment allez-vous, we link the T and the A. Comment allez-vous? And we answer ça va bien, merci. It's going well, thank you. Informal way, comment ça va? Meaning how are you going? Comment ça va? Ça va is another way of asking how are you going, very informal. You can ask it as a question and as an answer. Ça va? Ça va. Ça va bien. Comment vous appelez-vous? It's asking a formal way, what is your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? Again, the S and the A link together. The S become more like a Z. Comment vous appelez-vous? Meaning how you call yourself, literally. Je m'appelle Lise. My name is Lise. An informal way of asking someone's name. Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? Meaning how you call yourself, literally. Je m'appelle Lise. Here we've got the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The alphabet in French. Here I said using vous in French is a formal way of addressing. Vous means you formal, where tu means you informal. There's two ways of talking in French using the vous form, which is a you for both situations, but using vous is the more polite way to say, to address to someone that actually it's a sign of respect. So using vous, so someone that you don't know normally, someone who's older than you will address with vous. Someone that you know very well, you will use the informal way. Thank you for listening. Hopefully this was useful for you, and I'll talk to you later. Au revoir.